Hi, I'm Cameron from Asint and I'm here to introduce our latest product, the DrySyn MiniSpin. The DrySyn MiniSpin is designed to provide overhead stirring for reaction vials. I'm going to run through some of the specifications and benefits of our latest product. So let's take a closer look at the DrySyn MiniSpin. So firstly, we have two sizes of vial available. On my left, we have the 20 milliliter vials. And on my right, we have the 2 dram vials, 2 drams being just over 7 milliliters. The MiniSpin features an overhead stirring system powered by a spinning magnet that fits on top. As this spins, it in turn rotates the stirrer shafts inside the vials, creating powerful overhead stirring. The driver fits on top of both sizes of vials, so you can run it with either, meaning you can easily scale up as required. And with our large overhead stirring products, for example, the DrySyn Vortex and our Reactimate jacketed vessels, you can potentially scale up even further if required. The RPM of the MiniSpin is adjusted by this small controller, and it is switched on via the switch on top. You can run it clockwise or anti-clockwise as required. The overhead stirring is much more powerful than traditional magnetic stirring with a stirrer bar. This allows you to run your reactions with much more viscous liquids. Another benefit is that the overhead stirrers avoid any of the grinding effects that you usually get from stirrer bars. Because it is a full position reactor, you can screen multiple reactions at the same time. The MiniSpin is easy to set up. You can put it together in a matter of minutes. It also requires a very low level of maintenance. The materials used are designed to be highly chemical resistant, suitable for a range of solvents and reagents. And the main sort of ongoing maintenance required will be just the occasional replacing of the O-rings, and spares are available, and this is a very straightforward process. In terms of further specifications, it will fit on a magnetic stirrer hot plate. Obviously you don't need the magnetic stirring, but you can run it up to around 130 degrees centigrade, and with a recirculator you could run it down to about -20 degrees centigrade. There's also the option for inert atmosphere or vacuum. All you need to do is fit our mini Schlenk line on top of the controller, and then you can connect up your vials to the house vacuum or to an inert gas as required, all allowed by the fittings on the side. With the septa you can also do sampling and additions whilst under these inert conditions, and there's also fittings available for running the MiniSpin with a reflux condenser. If you'd like to know any more about the MiniSpin or have any questions, don't hesitate to get in touch. We're very happy to help, and I will see you very soon in the next video. Thank you for watching.